Hi guys, here is our maestro Evgeny. My students today were working on sight reading, and he's gonna share with you the knowledge, what he learned, what we discussed. And let me ask Zhenya, what was the sum of the rules for sight reading? Can you please share?
Sure. So we're trying to sight read this little piece here, Allegretto in C. And before starting playing the piece, we'll have to pay attention to a few things about it. So look at the notes carefully and look at the key signatures. In this case, well, the name suggests in C major, so no sharps or flats. Then we'll look at the time signature, which is 2/4 in this case. So that gives us some idea about the rhythm of the piece. And then we just go through the text of the piece, looking for things like accidentals. So there's some fragments here with like chromaticisms, things like that, and maybe unusual rhythms, like which is different from the dominating rhythm of the piece, which is something like that. And various embellishments, so we'll have things like that. And yeah, so that will prepare you to actually play it. And then before you begin, it's also important to start with the right tempo. So for example,
like your tempo, specific tempo for this moment, for
right,
specific student who might be someone not so strong, or and even you maybe in a few months will be, right, let's say, hopefully better sight reader, right?
Yeah.
And the same with embellishments. It's like maybe today you play comfortably, and who knows, maybe a year ago you were not so comfortable, right?
Yeah. And well, so yeah, so determine the tempo. Usually, again, looking at the text, finding maybe the most difficult part. Here is this measure with 16 to make sure you play it so that the tempo is even throughout the piece.
Yes, and I think one point left over about would be great to keep eyes from the between, like shifting between keyboard and the music. For this would be nice to practice some scales, chords, arpeggios, so we feel more comfortably like playing, just feeling the keys, right?
Yep.
Would you play something like at the beginning of the piece or one of the scale?
I'll try.
Okay, thank you so much, Evgeny. We hope you learned something, guys, from Maestro Evgeny. Thank you again. Thank you for watching.